Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So I hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, for the past 5 years we are giving the solutions for various courses of NPTEL guys. So with that experience only we are giving the solutions for this time also. So this is week 1 assignment of Python for data science course. So before starting the video, let me bring some content to your notice that so we are happy to tell you that so we have prepared super savings PDF pack. So it contains 295 plus MCQs guys, purely based on the syllabus of Python for data science. So last time also we have provided the same for the students. So this is a PDF access via a Google Drive link. So it is a restricted access guys. So you'll get 295 plus MCQs, almost 300 MCQs for the price of just 500 rupees only. So the validity will be till the exam day guys, and up to 5 members can access guys. Up to 5 members can get access for these MCQs. So there is high topic coverage available, and search option is also given to search any question you want, because even going to the examination hall you can be easily able to search the question. So it is also easy to revise guys. With nearly 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have provided these MCQs guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me for. Already last time many students have taken our packs, so I hope this time also you'll take these packs and get benefited in the exam preparation. So it will be very helpful for you in the exam preparation guys. So you can take it now itself, so that your preparation will be much more faster and you'll get more confidence before going into the exam. So this is the email ID. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section guys. So you'll get almost 300 MCQs for just 500 rupees only. Up to 5 members can take the same pack guys. That means if you uh, able to buy for 500 rupees, 5 members can use the same pack guys. So please collaborate with your friends and make them also involved in this. So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So first question, what is the output of the following code? So if you see here the 12 is not a number guys, it is a string because it is enclosed within double quotations, and here 3 is a number, so we are multiplying 3 times of that string. That means 12 is a string, right? So it is multiplied by 3. So that same string will be repeated 3 times, right? 1, 2 and 3. So it is a string, so 12 will be printed 3 times. So the answer is second option guys. So mark option, second option guys. Now moving on to the second question. Second one, what is the output of the following code? So for the second question, the answer is second option guys, -2. Next, moving on to the third one. Guys, please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe our channel and like the video, and please share that with your friends guys, so that it will be helpful for your friends also to get the content for free. You can share the video in your WhatsApp student groups or any social media platforms, so that it will be benefited for every one of us guys. And please keep encouraging our channel so that we can upload many videos for the future weeks also. So third question, consider a following code snippet. What is the data type of Y? So for third question, the correct answer is third option guys, string, str. Next, moving on to the fourth question now. Which of the following variable names are invalid in Python? Friends, I hope almost all solutions are correct. So if you think there should be any change to be made, please give your opinion in the comment section. So we will try to sort it out guys. But I hope almost all solutions are correct. So invalid in Python, invalid variable names. So if you see the first option, it is starting with a number. So it should not start with a number, right? So it is invalid one. And if you see the fourth option, here they have given hash. So hashtag is not involved, is not a special character in Python to be involved in a variable name. So that's why fourth option is also incorrect variable name. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Fifth question. While naming the variable, use of any special character other than underscore will throw which type of error? So for fifth question, the correct answer is option A, syntax error. Syntax error. Next, moving on to the sixth question now, guys. Sixth one, let x equal to Mayur. So here Mayur is a string, right? Which of the following commands convert the x, that means a string variable, to float data type? So here you cannot convert string into float, guys. So here answer is fourth option, cannot convert a string to float data type. Next, moving on to the seventh question. Seventh one, which Python library is commonly used for data wrangling and manipulation? So for seventh question, the answer is option, second option, guys, pandas. Pandas. Next, moving on to the eighth one, predict the output for the following code. So here the answer is once again option B, guys. I mean second option, 12. Next, moving on to the ninth question. So before getting into this, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we are providing almost 300 number of MCQs for just 500 rupees, guys. You'll get the validity till the exam day, guys. Up to 5 members can get access once you pay 500 rupees fees, guys. So there is high topic coverage. So many topics in the syllabus are covered, and search option is available to search any question you want with ease. And also it is also easy to revise, because it is a PDF and you can easily scroll that even going to the examination hall. So it will help you in the preparation for your final exam, guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me if you want the pack. Already many students have taken from previous years, guys. So hope this year also it will continue. So think smart, guys, and choose the better one. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the remaining questions. Solution. So ninth question, given the two variables, so j equals 6, z equal to 3.3, if both normal division and floor division operators were used to divide j by g, that means normal division is nothing but j by 6, right? And floor division is j double slash 6. So first one, if you divide 6 by 3.3, so it's not a norm, definitely not a normal uh, division, right? So definitely it will not perfectly give quotient. So definitely there will be a reminder. So you'll get float value first for first one. And if you see the 3.3 for double slash 6 double slash 3.3, also it is not a perfect one to divide, right? So once again there will be some floating points. So again the second perform operation also float. So the answer is second option. So mark option, second option, guys. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one, guys. So 10th one, let a equals 5, so it is represented as 101 in binary format, right? And b is equals 3. What is the result of the following operation? So 3 is represented as 0, 1, 1. So they have performed here the AND operation. So if you perform that, you'll get the answer as 1, guys. So mark fourth option as correct answer for the final question of the assignment. That is last option 1. So that's it guys for this video. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel guys. Please share the video with your friends, classmates through WhatsApp, student groups, etc. So this is the super savings pack guys. You'll get huge number of almost 300 MCQs, very nicely prepared MCQs guys. You'll get just for 500 rupees only. The validity will be till the exam day and up to 5 members can access it guys. Once you pay for 500, up to 5 members can use that. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience we have gathered these guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me for. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting me like this to do better videos for further weeks also. So until the next video, goodbye.